Types of GPS: DGPS, recreational mapping and survey. Differential global positioning system. DG Differential Global Positioning System (DGPS) is an enhancement to GPS. It works by cancelling out most of the natural and man-made errors, enable precision applications by reducing the overall errors. How does it work? It uses a network of fixed ground-based reference stations to broadcast the difference between the positions indicated by the satellite systems and the known fixed positions. Two GPS receivers are used for DGPS. A high precision base GPS receiver, base receiver or base station is placed at a known controlled point of reference such as National Geodetic Survey marker. DGPS is providing more accuracy than GPS system. The receiver collects GPS signals and compares the results to the actual known coordinate of the base. A rover receiver collects autonomous information in the field. Software hardware at the base station calculates the differential between the known position and the GPS position. This differential is an effective measurement of positional offset in both direction and distance. The differential data can be used to correct the positional errors in the data collected from the rover. GPS receivers in either real time or after the fact post processing. This system works pretty well, but inaccuracies do pop up. For this method, the radio signals cross through the atmosphere at a consistent speed of light. The electromagnetic energy passes through the Earth's atmosphere, ionosphere, and troposphere and slows down. DGPS can generate errors resulting from the distortions produced in the troposphere and ionosphere. The ephemeris errors may also lead to the users receiving incorrect information. Thus, the information provided by the DGPS loses accuracy as it moves away from the reference station. The errors in the DGPS may range from 0.22 to 0.67 km per 100 kilometers. Problems can also occur when radio signals bounce off large objects such as skyscrapers. Sometimes satellites send out bad almanac data, misreporting their own position. DGPS helps to correct these types of errors. DGPS already knows its own position at fixed station. It can easily calculate its receiver's accuracy. The station then broadcasts a radio signal to all DGPS equipped receivers in the area, providing signal correction information for that area. Post-processing, the DGPS system finds out the exact locations of unknown points by using reference points known as survey markers. This technique is called as post-processing. Depending on the amount of data being sent in the DGPS correction signal, correcting for these effects can reduce the error significantly, offering accuracies of less than 10 cm. That is why DGPS has the ability to make better decisions in locating and improving survey, cost effectiveness, and time management. DGPS technology has many other applications on land, sea, and in the air. Recreation grade DGPS. This unit is designed to acquire a location quickly without the need for pinpoint accuracy. Typically, the accuracy is less than 15 meters, 49 feet, with no differential correction. Recreational products are not specifically designed for GIS mapping. They can be used successfully in some applications such as outdoor sports, hiking, geocaching, etc. It is comparatively cheaper than other GPS. Mapping grade DGPS. These GPS receivers are typically less user friendly than the recreational GPS and they are cost significantly more. Mapping grade GPS are more accurate than recreational units, commonly to within a meter, less approximately 3 feet. Mapping grade GPS receivers are most often used by government agencies, researchers, and other users who require more accurate and dependable coordinate fixes than a recreational GPS can provide. Survey grade DGPS. Survey grade units are used where accuracy is crucial, such as cadastral surveys, highway construction, and other engineering projects. They are capable of providing horizontal accuracy to within a centimeter. Survey grade GPS receivers are the most accurate and the most expensive. These GPS receivers are most often used by professional surveyors. It is more accurate. A survey grade GPS is used to establish a known point. From there, total station laser instruments are used to lay out measurements for other positions in the neighborhood of the known point. List of global navigation satellite system. There are currently 3 global navigation systems in operation: Navigation Satellite Timing and Ranging System (NAVSTA), GLONASS, Galileo, Navstar. Navstar, commonly referred to as Global Positioning System and owned by United States of America. The Navstar GPS was developed by the US Department of Defense. It consists of a constellation of 24 to 27 satellites in operation and placed in 6 orbital planes. These satellites are orbiting the Earth at high altitude, approximately 20,200 meters. Each plane is inclined 55 degrees relative to the equator. The satellites complete an orbit of approximately 12 hours. The signal from the satellite requires a direct line to GPS receivers and cannot penetrate water, soil, walls, or other obstacles such as trees, buildings, and bridges. Types of GPS.